Greetings, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a very important topic, the use of computer applications in biomedical waste management. As we all know, hospitals, clinics, and laboratories generate a large amount of biomedical waste every single day, from syringes and gloves to blood samples and body fluids. If this waste is not handled properly, it can spread serious infections and harm both people and the environment. That's where computer technology comes in, making the entire process of waste management smarter, faster, and safer. 1. Digital tracking and record keeping. Computer applications are used to track biomedical waste from the point of generation to final disposal. For example, hospitals now use barcode or QR code systems to label every waste bag or container. When scanned, the data, such as the type of waste, source department, and time of disposal, gets stored automatically in a central system. This helps authorities monitor the flow of waste, avoid mixing of hazardous materials, and ensure accountability at every step. 2. Modern software applications are also used for waste segregation and monitoring. For instance, smart bins equipped with sensors can detect the level of waste and alert staff when it's time for collection. Computerized dashboards in hospitals help monitor whether biomedical waste is being correctly separated into categories like infectious, sharps, plastic, or general waste. This real-time monitoring reduces human error and ensures compliance with government rules. 3. Data analysis and reporting. Computer applications make it easy to collect and analyze data on waste generation. Authorities can use this data to find out which departments produce the most waste, how often waste is collected, and whether the disposal process meets environmental standards. Automated reports can be generated for audits, reducing paperwork and improving transparency. 4. Integration with GPS and mobile apps. Many waste transport vehicles are now equipped with GPS tracking systems linked to computer software. This ensures that biomedical waste is transported safely to the treatment plant without illegal dumping. Even mobile apps are being used by healthcare workers and regulators to log data, schedule pickups, and verify proper treatment and disposal. In conclusion, computer applications have revolutionized biomedical waste management. They bring efficiency, accuracy, and transparency, turning a risky manual process into a controlled and traceable system. By combining healthcare with digital technology, we not only protect public health, but also contribute to a cleaner and safer environment. Thank you.
But before we wrap up, let's take a moment to understand why all this really matters. Every day, India alone generates over 600 tons of biomedical waste. Imagine the risk if even a small part of it is not treated properly. Diseases could spread, soil and water could get contaminated, and people handling the waste could fall seriously ill. With computer-based systems, these risks can be drastically reduced. For example, when a hospital's software automatically alerts staff that a particular waste bin is full or overdue for pickup, it prevents overflow and contamination. Similarly, GPS tracking makes sure the waste isn't dumped on the roadside or in open areas, something that sadly used to happen earlier. Now, what's even more interesting is how artificial intelligence and cloud computing are being used. AI-based tools can predict how much waste a hospital will generate in the coming week, helping them plan ahead for storage and disposal. Cloud-based systems allow multiple hospitals, treatment facilities, and government agencies to share real-time data. This means faster decision-making, better coordination, and zero data loss. Even training programs for hospital staff are now digital. Interactive computer modules and e-learning platforms teach how to segregate and handle waste safely, replacing the old method of manual training and paperwork. All these examples show that technology isn't just helping us manage waste, it's helping us build a culture of responsibility in healthcare. When every syringe, glove, or test tube is tracked digitally, it reminds us that even small actions count toward protecting our planet. So, as future professionals, whether we become doctors, engineers, or IT experts, we all have a role to play.
By encouraging smarter use of computer applications, we can make sure healthcare remains not just life-saving, but also environment-friendly and sustainable. Thank you once again for listening, and let's all promise to use technology for a cleaner, safer tomorrow.